Ladies and gentlemen, this is Azza and RS Autel. Today I'll be working on a 2017 Ford Explorer. The owner has a key, but as you can see, the remote is not working. But however, the proximity function is working. You can start the car. So meanwhile, I'm made to add another key, probably to solve the proximity issue, the remote issue. So this is the new key. I will take it out of the pack, but just you can see I don't need to test it here because if it's working, you will see the remote. So now we'll go to the programming process. Put the ignition on. Yeah, Ford. Automatic selection. Thank you. I decided to start the car to kind of conserve battery, but I don't necessarily need to do that. You can see 2016 to 2017 Ford Explorer. We are doing an animal status scan. And we can see that there are 4 fault codes at the BTM as the BCM. Then we have 3 keys. The number of keys programmed 3 specified minimum is 2. So let us see what we had at the BCM. Remote keyless entry synchronization fault. We have front right enhanced interior lighting. The other thing has to do with lighting. So let me erase these error codes. Engine on. Yeah, we are going to do that. So, but these error codes still persist. So let's go ahead and see if we can actually add key considering this situation. If the factory alarm on the vehicle is activated, you need to deactivate it, which is not. This procedure will not erase existing key. Notice it is normal that the instrument panel will turn black when performing this function. Turn the ignition on or open and close the driver door one time. The ignition is on. So security access will be available in 10 minutes. So we'll pause the video and come back when it's almost time. Sorry, I couldn't capture. It didn't take up to 10 minutes. Of course, you can see that the length key, there are 3 keys now. So, okay, place the smart key to be learned into the slot, which is usually on the armrest. Where's this one? Should have looked for that place before now. Okay, give me. It has been placed there. Correct number of keys is 4 now. It was 3 before. Learning successful. Do you want to learn on that key? No. So, learning is successful. We're going to turn off. Let's see. Wow. Okay. Unlock. Somebody else will have to take out this key. Please help me take the key out. So we test the remote function. This is Azan Arrest Auto. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Facebook page. You can see lock and unlock. Let us see the old key. We have taken out the new key. This is the old key. The old key is equally working now. And it can equally start the car. Please kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Facebook page. Thank you for watching.